On today's ride, leaving back of Brook once again, George's Ski World, and going to Gallants for a plate of fries. Nice back at a top of the banner, back in still snow up here yet. Just crossed over to Trans-Canada, and I'm just on the other side of Massey Drive. Another one of the interesting things to see when you're snowmobiling in Newfoundland, around corner Brook. You've got caves here. This brook runs down through here, disappears into this cave. I am riding the groomed trails here, operated by Newfoundland Labrador Snowmobile Federation. Some people just coming back from caving now. What do you think? Gerald looks all ready for a ride. Stopped on Smoker's Hill now for a little break before we push on to the Shiver Shack and then on to Gallants.
Go back, turn up a Smoker's Hill and go back to Hillside Road. Did you have that?
That's happened. And here we are at our destination, Camp 7, for a plate of fries. We're not the only ones who've snowmobiled here today. Last year I was here, this parking lot was chock-a-block. I mean, there must have been 100 sleds in it.
This is worth the ride and trail, man.
There you go.
We went through all kinds of foul weather and mountains and hills just to get to the fries.
Breaks down and everything else.
Fueled up, ready to go.